What's up, YouTube? My name is Drew, aka THC Rich, and you're watching episode 1 of series 1 of my Chill Out OG organic grow. In this series, we'll be growing Chill Out OG by Mr. Grow It. I chose Chill Out OG because he was one of the main sources of education when I started learning here on YouTube. So to show my appreciation, my first series will be growing his strand. Seeds, and these are actually what I'm running. Little Chill Out OG. Shout out Mr. Grow It. All right, so let's get to it. The first thing you're gonna need when growing at home is to get some seeds started. I personally like to use the shot glass method, and I chose this method because it has worked for me in the past and it's super easy. And all you need for the shot glass method is a shot glass, some water, and your seeds. Now, after your seeds have started, you will need some more equipment, but we'll get to that later on in the series. I don't want to overload you guys with information now in hopes that this will be an easy to follow step-by-step process. All right, first thing, grab your shot glass, fill it with some water. Now grab your seeds and drop them directly into the water. Now grab that shot glass with your seeds in it and go put it in a dark closet. And that's it. We have officially started our seeds. If you guys want to be updated when the new episodes drop, make sure you like and subscribe. And I appreciate you all for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.